Hey, we're here again. You know, my name is Ovidio, and we're happy here to cleaning the roof. So the good thing is about the roof is we're not using any chemical, so it's wash free without any solution at all. It's just hot water, 190 degrees. You know, we put like a 40, 15, 40, 20 tips, little pressure, not high pressure, because we can destroy any like slate or any like piece of roof. And then we just rinse it off, and that's the result over there. You can see over there it's like clean, and when it's dirty, right here. Plus we gotta wash the chimney, the whole chimney, like that one over there is clean. When when we finish, you'll see the result will be clean, and we happy again.